Ginawa ng paraan yun. Moming Padillon, who is back in the starters for Arellano, hits. Bam! Long rally ended with an exclamation. Evan serving 14. ZJ Deposoy will start. Good serve, Paralejas. Oh, combination. Absorbed right there.
What a defense.
Oh, Santos with the angled hit. Yan ang mga malalakas na atake ng Spikers ng Arellano. Adante. Underhand pass. Moming. Absorbed by Lazarte. Marasigan. Oh! Ends. Set. Number 2. What a finish. San Sebastian with the 8-point turnaround. And it is ended by Tina Marasigan, who has provided the goods